Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to view a LinkedIn profile without having a LinkedIn account. This is incredibly useful if you need to check someone's professional background or verify credentials but don't want to create an account or log in. Let's get right into it. Before we begin, you'll need to have the LinkedIn profile URL ready. Make sure you've already obtained the direct link to the profile you want to view. This might be shared with you via email, a message, or from another source. Having this URL on hand is essential for this method to work. Now open up your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Once your browser is open, head over to google.com. The address bar at the top of your browser is where you'll be working from here. Next, take the LinkedIn profile URL that you have and paste it directly into Google's search bar. Don't hit enter just yet, just make sure the full URL is pasted correctly. This step is crucial because Google will index and cache LinkedIn profiles, allowing you to access them even without being logged into LinkedIn. After pasting the URL, go ahead and hit enter or click the search button. Google will now process your search and return results related to that specific LinkedIn profile. You'll see several search results appear on your screen. Now look at the search results carefully and click on the first result that appears. This first result is typically the direct link to the LinkedIn profile itself. When you click it, Google will redirect you to LinkedIn's platform. Here's where the magic happens. You'll be directed to a LinkedIn tab showing the profile you searched for. Even though you don't have a LinkedIn account or aren't logged in, you'll be able to see key information from that person's profile. This includes their name, headline, current position, and often some of their work history and education details. LinkedIn allows limited viewing of profiles through search engines like Google, which is what makes this method possible. And that's it. You've successfully viewed a LinkedIn profile without needing to create or log into a LinkedIn account. This simple workaround using Google search can save you time when you just need to quickly look up someone's professional information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.